Hi, Coach Lemaster here. I wanted to let you know that we have provided for you custom graphic organizers for each of your writing assignments, with the exception of week 1. So week 1, remember, you're writing an email and you're writing a personal letter. So we're not providing graphic organizers for that, but we are providing graphic organizers for weeks 2 and 3. So in Google Classroom, you can go to your writing task. I'll show you here. If you go to Session 1, Assignment 2 or Assignment 3, you will see that there is a graphic organizer underneath the writing assignment where you will get the prompt and also write your essay on this document. So there's a graphic organizer underneath, right? And if I look down in Assignment 3, there's also a graphic organizer that you will be able to access. So right here, you're looking at your graphic organizer, and we've designed it so that it guides you through some of the ideas that you need to include in your essay or your paper. What's important about a graphic organizer is it's just the basic information. It's bulleted ideas, it's short sentences and phrases. It's not full sentences, it's not full paragraphs. All you're doing is coming in here and jotting down ideas from your text that you're supposed to read, or ideas from your experience, or thoughts that you have. You can bullet them, write them in short sentences, but it's just an idea to get your ideas organized in paragraphs. Notice that there's different boxes, and each one of these boxes represent different focuses, if you will. So the different focus for each of your supporting paragraphs, and then your introduction, which should have probably, for this one, it's an argument, so you're going to have a claim, but that claim can be kind of a working claim. It might change, you might want to adjust it a little bit, but nonetheless, you would have your claim here, and then your support in brief detail, and then what you might say with your conclusion. And you would fill that out right here. On your graphic organizer. It's in Google Drawing, so you can type right inside of the box, and when you are done, you can turn in to your coach so that your coach sees that you're done. But I wouldn't turn this in until you are finished writing your essay, because once you turn it in, you won't have access to it unless you unsubmit. So you could pull it back from a coach if you want to. But the process I would recommend is read your prompt, obviously, and mark it, and then come through here and fill this out, the graphic organizer, and then use that organizer to help you write your essay. And then when you're done with your essay, turn in the essay, go back and turn in the graphic organizer, and your coach will have both the graphic organizer and the essay. Now, this is one graphic organizer. Remember, there's another one. When you guys go down to the next week's writing, there's another graphic organizer. All right, just giving you a sneak peek of what's going to happen. See, you're excited. So you're going to have a specific graphic organizer for each of your writing assignments, with the exception of week 1, because week 1 is email and personal letter. So you're going to have these graphic organizers for weeks 2 and 3. All right, so use them, please. They really help focus your ideas and get those thoughts going, and then use them to help you write your essay. All right, I hope you enjoy them.